So guys, the first thing I'm gonna be doing here is I will take this baby cream which is by Johnson & Johnson. It is rich in vitamin E and also has hydrating properties. After that, this is a lip balm which is by Body Shop. I'm gonna take it and apply it on my entire lips because it helps in priming the lips properly. For my foundation here, I am going to be taking this L'Oreal Infallible foundation which is in the shade Honey Mist, and with the help of this foundation brush I'll be applying it entirely on my face. If you see in Deepika's picture, she looks very subtle and natural, so I am not going to apply so much of makeup on my face, but I am going to keep it super natural. So once I done blending this with this foundation brush, I am going to move to the concealer. For my concealer, I am going to be using this Fit Me concealer in the shade Medium Moyen, and I'll be dotting it around my eyes, on my nose, on my forehead, and also the area where I have the most pigmentation, and with the help of my fingers I'll be blending it out. After that, I am gonna set this using this loose powder because I don't want the concealer to crease out, and after that I'll be moving on to contouring my face. For my face contouring, I'll be using this palette which is by Makeup Revolution for the people who has medium skin tones, and I have taken this bronzer and I'll be applying it on the base of my cheek, on my jawline, and also on my forehead to help in giving nice definition to my features, and I'll be blending it out using the same brush. Once it is done, I am gonna take the blush, which is a very beautiful and natural shade of blush. It is not very much visible, but it helps in highlighting your features a bit and give a nice blush on your cheek. In the same palette, I am gonna take this highlighter and apply it on the high points of my feature, like on my chin, on the tip of my nose, also in the inner corner of my eyes and the base of my brows. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyes, and in the picture it was clear that she's wearing golden eyeshadow and her eyes were really standing out, so I'm gonna make sure that I'm trying to make them exactly the way it looked in the picture. So for that I am gonna be using this palette which is again by Makeup Revolution, and I'll be patting this very light pink shade for my base, and for my crease I'm gonna take this dark shade of maroon so that I can create a nice subtle base for my eyes as well. So I'm blending this out using this blending brush, and after that with the help of my fingers I'll be dabbing the golden eyeshadow in between the eye. In the picture it was clearly seen that she had golden eyeshadow on, which made her eyes look very stunning and beautiful. Also, I'm not gonna make it like super dark with this, but I'll keep it very natural. Once this is done, I'll do the same on the lower lid. I am gonna apply this dark maroon shade, and after that I'll be dabbing a little bit of golden shade as well in the lower portion of my eye. After that I have taken this Lakme eyeliner to give it little more definition, and with the help of this liquid eyeliner I'll apply it one coat on the upper lid. After that again Lakme Iconic Kajal, and I'll apply it in the waterline in the inner area of the rim, and after that I have taken this eyelash curler which is by Vega, and I'm gonna curl my lashes. After that I'm gonna apply so many coats of mascara to make my eyelashes stand out. I will not be apply any fake lashes because she wasn't wearing any. So guys, the eyes are done and I know that they look stunning. After that, I am gonna take this Super Stay Maybelline lip color, which is a liquid lipstick, and it looks very natural and yet makes you stand out. And once I get done with this, I am ready with the look, guys. So guys, this is the final look which I created. I hope that you guys liked it, and please give this video a thumbs up if you do, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also make sure to follow me on my social media. The links are given in the description box below. I'll see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.